One-sided love broke the seesaw down. Kumusta mga kapatid? Welcome back to my channel, Mang Kres TV, and here's your friendly manong musician, Mang Kres, alone in the house. Anyway, in this video, i-grant natin yung isang request from this guy right here. Yan ang sabi niya. Okay?
Kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na gagawin natin. Especially mga tutorial videos na mostly ay old school hits. And kung meron kang request na kanta, just comment down below. And titignan natin kung pasok sa criteria natin yan. Ang criteria lang naman natin is yung playable sa acoustic guitar. And yung wala pang masyadong tutorial video sa YouTube. And syempre yung marami ang nakakaalam. Kasi pangit naman kung ikaw lang nakakaalam, di ba? Maganda yung marami ang makikinabang, di ba? Okay? So ayun lang yung tatlong criteria natin para mag-grant natin yung request nyo. Okay, kung ready na kayo, puro satsat, walang ganap.
Let's go!
Tutorials at iba pa.
Okay, so yung intro niya, ang chords ay A. Ganito ang hawak. And then, A over D. Ang kinalabit ko na ay 4th and 2nd string. And then, 3rd string. And then, itong middle finger nyo, lagay nyo sa 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then, 2nd string open. And then, E. And then, isas. Sundot lang ng ganon. And then, E. And then, itong hinliliit or ito, yung palasingsingan. Tagalog, palasingsingan. Bali nasa 3rd string siya, galing sa 2nd fret to 4th fret. And then, i-flat nyo ng buo tong 2nd fret. Ang kinalabit ko ay 6th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. Pwede ng ganyan, okay? Tapos, kalabit ng 4th and 3rd. And then, itong hinliliit sa 1st string, 4th fret, slide to 5th. And then, C minor 7, C sharp minor 7, ang kakalabitin ay 5th, 3rd and 2nd, and 1st. Okay? And then, 2nd string, kalabit, slide down, itong buong shape na to, sa B minor 7. Okay? And then, 2nd string ulit, 1st string, 4th fret, and then 5th fret, and then E. Okay? So, ayun yung intro niya. Bali, A over D, and then E. E sus, E. And then, F sharp minor 7, na ganito lang. And then, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7, and E. Bali ganito yung intro kasama yung melody. Okay? Nakuha nyo? So kung medyo nabibilisan kayo, merong speed option ang YouTube. Hindi ko alam kung dito or dito. Ayan, pwede yung bagalan ng konti. Okay, kung okay na tayo sa intro, punta na tayo sa verse. Verse 1, ang chords ay A. One-sided love. And then, open yung 4th string. Kasi A over dito. Broke the seesaw down. Okay? Tama ba yung lyrics ko? Okay, tama naman. And then, B minor 7. I gotta get rough over A. Okay? When I hear the grunge, E. And the next line, uulitin lang natin ng dalawang ulit yung set na yon, di ba? And you went your way and I went wild. Ganun siya. And girl, you'd understand if your heart was mine. Okay? Buuin natin yung verse. One-sided love broke the seesaw down. I gotta get rough when I hear the grunge. And you went your way and I went half wild. And girl, you'd understand if your heart was mine. Okay? And then, punta na tayo sa may chorus. Ang chords ng chorus, A, if we had an X, and then A over D, change of, and then E, heart. Then you A ulit, oh, and then you know, and then A over D, how I fell, and then C sharp 7 sus part and C sharp 7, and then F sharp minor 7, you'd feel the pain, and then C sharp minor 7, when the memory starts. B minor 7, if we had an X, E change, and then A of hearts. And then, meron siyang A sus na ganito ang pagkakakalabit. Okay? Okay, so tugtugin natin ang buo yung chorus. If we had an exchange of heart, then you know how I'd fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of heart. Okay? And then, diretso na yon sa may second verse. I never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I choose to play the fool. One day may come, then you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break just to feel like I do. You feel just like I do. Diba ganun? May nakita kayo ng mga runs ng bass, di ba? Dun sa it's not your fault I choose to G sharp, F sharp, bago ka palang mag-E, play the fool. Then one day may come, then you'll be in my shoes. Tapos may run ulit dito. Then F sharp, A, bago ka palang mag B minor 7. Then your heart will break, and then over A, just to feel, and you'll feel just like I do. Okay? So, ganun yung second verse. And then, ulitin lang yung chorus. Same lang din ng chords. And then, punta na tayo sa may bridge. Sa bridge, ang chords ito ay G. Diba galing sa chorus? If we had an exchange of heart, no time turns the table. Okay, G. And then, D over F sharp. Soon I'd be able. Pwede kayo mag-strum dito para mag-iba yung, ano niya, yung feel niya. Mas mabigat, di ba? Time turns the table. Soon I'd be able. D over F sharp. And then F to find a new. And then A over E, romance. Basta open nyo lang ng ganyan. Chords ka lang ng A. Strum nyo pati yung bass ng E. And then you remember A over D. My love. F sharp minor 7. Tatawa ko sa boses ko. My love, warm and tender. Then B minor 7. Too late for a. Then G, dalawang bagsak. Second. Okay, ganun siya. And then E, chan. May isas na sundot. So, yun lang. Doon nagtatapos sa isas. Ulitin natin, buo yung bridge. Buuin natin. Time turns the table. Soon I'll be able to find a new romance. Then you remember my love, warm and tender. Too late for a second chance. Okay? Ganun siya. And then, ang kasunod nito ay adlib. Yung adlib naman, ang chords lang niyan, kukunin lang natin yung chords ng chorus. Diba? Tenen, wait lang. Except dun sa last chord, which is yung A and A sus. And then, kasi magta-transpose na tayo dito ng isang fret eh. Bali ganito siya. Kukunin natin yung, papatakbuhin natin yung, papatakbuhin ng puta. I-play natin yung chords ng chorus para dun sa adlib. Pwede strum na to. Okay? Yun na yan. Dumaan na yung F, G minor, A minor 7, at naging B flat. So, yung transpose chorus is B flat. If we had an exchange, and then B flat over E flat. Ganito ang shape. Change of heart, and then F. Sorry, puro bar chords na to ha. And then you'll know B flat again. How I fell. Fell pala. Fell. B flat over E flat. Apart. And D. 7 sus. And D7. Okay? Pwede rin, ano na lang, D sus. Or D7. Or D. And then, G minor 7. You'd feel the pain. Basta ganun yung tono niya. When the memory, D minor 7, restarts. If we had C minor 7, maligaling nga dito, bumaba. Had an exchange, F. And then B flat. Of hearts. Okay, so buuin natin yung transpose na chorus. Simulan natin dun sa transition na F, galing sa F. Di ba? We had an exchange of art, and you know how I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. Okay, and then coda. Yung coda niya, yung if we had an exchange of heart. Bale, bababa ulit yung energy nito sa part na to. Bale, babalik tayo sa plucking. C minor 7. On an exchange. And then, ganyan. Of hearts. And then, C minor 7. then F, and then B flat sus, and then B flat. Okay, ganun lang siya. Yung coda ganito, di ba? If we had an exchange of hearts.
Ayun, at doon lang tayo nagtatapos. So kung nag-gets nyo yung tutorial na to, and kung nakuha nyo siya, don't forget to like this video. And syempre, huwag nyo rin kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating videos. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I hope na-enjoy nyo yung tutorial na to. And I hope sana na-enjoy nyo nga itong tutorial na to. And I'll see you in the next video.
Peace.